demo how to build a Kubernetes cluster. And the first thing I need to do is get an image. I want to put a website on Ubuntu 20.04. And I installed Docker onto my macOS, which isn't too hard. You simply download the Docker image. You double click on the DMG, it puts in Docker. You double click here on Docker and applications. It asks for your password, and you put in your password. It installs some software it needs for networking, and then double click on Docker again, and you'll get this menu here. So let's follow along and see if we can get this to work. So first things first, I'm going to use this git clone command here and grab their getting started. Looks like they have a terminal right here for me already. So they have me on ZSH. Let's see what it did here. That's pretty cool. Okay, that worked fine. And we'll build the image. This is easier than I thought. It's going to bring the image down, I would think. I'm not sure what it's bringing down, but I want to use Ubuntu 20.04, so I'm not sure what this thing's bringing down here. And as I remember from Ubuntu, this takes a while, or from Docker. Okay, that looks done. No, it's not done. Yeah, as I recall, Docker is kind of a hurry up and wait thing. All right, it built something. I'm not sure what it built, but it looks like it's building Nginx or something, which I really don't care about. Anyway, let's follow along and see what happens here. Okay, it's going to run the image. That's easy enough. Go ahead. Looks like it's up. Docker run. I would think it would come up now in some window. Yeah, so Docker's into building an image. What I think would be more useful was taking an existing running system and running a script that would capture it and create an image from an existing system. This has been this way for years. I'm not sure why they haven't improved this, but this is how it is. All right, so that wasn't very useful for me. All right, I'm going to come back with a second video on how to build a useful Docker image on what you want. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.